direct response. And with that, we move to the next
Madam Chair,
person on the list.
Madam
That
Chair,
this
Madam Chair,
hindi na po tayo matatapos.
yan ang sinabi ko sa iyo kanina. Ayaw mo maniwala sa akin eh. Aabot talaga tayo ng bukas dito. Diba, Madam Chair?
Is this an inquiry regarding
What he said.
yes, and
Yes,
please
ma'am.
I remind also our
Yes, ma'am.
first persons to please act in a respectful manner. Pasensya na po, hindi po kasama sa poder ninyo ang pagpa-fire ng presiding officer ng hearing na to. So yes, you
So
proceed
if
po.
you allow members of the House of Representatives lines like what you just said, like pusit, bakit mo ako kinu-crucify for saying a fact that somebody is